Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide you with a tutorial on creating a Python REST API with a SQL Server backend. For simplicity, we'll use the Flask framework for building the REST API and the SQLAlchemy library for interacting with the SQL Server database. Before you begin, make sure you have Python installed, and consider using a virtual environment. Open your terminal and run the following commands to install Flask, Flask-SQLAlchemy, and pymssql, a SQL Server driver for Python. Create a database in your SQL Server instance and a table for this tutorial. For example, now, let's create a simple Flask app with SQLAlchemy integration. Save the following code in a file named app.py. Run your Flask app using the following command. Your API will be accessible at http://127.0.0.1:5000/. You can use tools like curl or postman to interact with the API. This is a basic example to get you started. Depending on your project requirements, you may want to add features like authentication, validation, and error handling. Additionally, make sure to secure your database credentials and consider using environment variables for configuration in a production environment. ChatGPT.